Good morning, it's Ted from The Devil's in the Detail. As I'm running a bit over schedule with the Ferrari, one of the jobs I've been putting off is a maintenance clean of the electric vehicle that most of you have seen me detail when it was brand new. It's come back to have a bit of a clean, and as it spends a lot of time at the new home build with 4 kids running about, you can understand it gets a little bit on the dirty side, as does all his vehicles, but they're a working family, and unfortunately they've been waiting for me to get this in, and I've had to sort of give in and have a day off the Ferrari to give it a clean for them. But as you can see, it's never just a quick clean. Oh, at least the polythene I put down has stayed there. That's going to save some, but this vehicle goes to pool every week, and obviously the kids play on the beach, and it's always going to get dirty. But it's our job to do these sorts of things and get them clean. And now I need to get it back like it looks like new again. And this isn't just a morning's work, I can assure you. So I'm going to crack on and get cleaning it. But it looks like, considering the amount of miles this vehicle's done since I detailed it and ceramicked it, it's not as dirty as I expected. So the ceramic has obviously been rejecting a lot of the dirt, because this was in worse condition externally when I did it new. So the coatings have proved worthwhile. Anyway, I'm going to get on and get it cleaned up, and I'll show you again later. One of the great design features that have been built into these Mercedes vans is the seat track, that means you can move the seats backwards and forwards in any position. Also acts as a fantastic dirt drain. As you can see, we always find loads of little niceties left by the kids and McDonald's. I think it's very thoughtful of Mercedes to put these in to stop the dirt going across the carpets. What do you think? Good design or not? I know what my views are. Now, this is where this little tool comes in, because it fits down these drains a treat. So I've already done behind this seat, and this little thing, it's pulled pens out and toys out of, I don't know, eggs and whatnot. But it's a great little tool, invaluable, inexpensive and invaluable. Now here we go, Mercedes in their infinite wisdom. See you soon. Now Justin's van's all ready for collection. So looking at damp site cleaner again, ready for the next trip with the kids. All looking lovely. So this has been collected a little bit later. And I'm sure by the weekend it'll be dirty again. Open the doors for a minute and all the bushes are letting stuff fall into it. Right then, that's another job completed. And get back on the Ferrari.